exploring the charm of countryside farming. Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting and picturesque topic that many of you might have come across but not fully understood: countryside farming. This topic not only opens the door to learning new English vocabulary but also gives us a glimpse into a way of life that is both traditional and immensely valuable in today's world. So, let's embark on this journey together and explore the beauty and significance of farming in the countryside. Countryside farming refers to the practice of agriculture in rural areas, far from cities and industrial centers. It's all about working the land, raising animals, and producing food and other agricultural products in a more traditional, often more sustainable way. The countryside offers vast open spaces, cleaner air, and a closer connection to nature, making it an ideal setting for farming activities. This form of farming is not just about producing food. It's a lifestyle that many people cherish for its simplicity, peace, and direct connection with the earth. The life of a countryside farmer is deeply connected to the cycles of nature. Farmers wake up with the sunrise and work until sunset, tending to crops, caring for animals, and maintaining their land. This lifestyle requires hard work, dedication, and a deep understanding of the natural world. Farmers need to know when to plant and harvest, how to manage their soil, and how to protect their crops from pests and diseases. It's a life that can be both challenging and incredibly rewarding, offering the satisfaction of producing food and contributing to the community's well-being. Countryside farming plays a crucial role in sustaining local economies, preserving traditional skills and knowledge, and providing food security. It helps in maintaining the biodiversity of plants and animals and protects the environment by employing sustainable farming practices. Furthermore, countryside farming contributes to the beauty of the landscape, attracting visitors and promoting tourism, which in turn supports local communities. Despite its many benefits, countryside farming faces several challenges. These include climate change, urbanization, and the migration of younger generations to cities in search of employment. Farmers must also contend with the global market's pressures, which can make it difficult to compete with larger, industrial farms. However, with support from governments, communities, and consumers who value locally produced food, countryside farming can continue to thrive. We hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of countryside farming and its significance in our world. It's a testament to the resilience, hard work, and dedication of farmers who choose to live and work in rural areas, contributing to the sustainability and health of our planet. Remember, every time we choose local produce, we're supporting countryside farmers and ensuring that this traditional way of life continues for generations to come. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to exploring more interesting topics with you.